Chirp debuts a faster, feature-filled Twitter app for Apple Watch. Chirp, a Twitter client preferred by hundreds of thousands of Apple Watch users, is getting its biggest upgrade since its arrival last year. Now redesigned for watchOS 6, the new version of Chirp includes a rebuilt timeline feature that allows you to endlessly scroll through tweets much more quickly than before, along with other enhancements like support for iOS 13's dark mode and a way to add colors to your Twitter username. The app was first introduced to fill the void created when Twitter pulled its own Apple Watch app back in 2017 in favor of using Apple Watch's notifications platform instead. Chirp, meanwhile, lets users access a real Twitter client from their watch's small screen, which included a way to view your home timeline, Twitter trends, add mentions, direct messages, and more. Some features, like the ability to direct message or compose tweets from your Apple Watch, are only available to Chirp Pro paying users, though. Chirp Pro is a user-friendly pay-what-you-want feature that lets you chip in at either $4.99, $5.99 or $7.99 to upgrade the app and doesn't require a subscription. To date, Chirp has 294,000 downloads and only around 5% conversions. The new version, Chirp 2.0, hopes to encourage more upgrades as it enhances the Twitter on your wrist experience with a redesigned timeline that endlessly scrolls faster and more reliably than before, and includes an improved video player, image grids, and more. The inspiration for rewriting the timeline came from when I was fortunate enough to attend WWDC 2019 as a scholar, explains Chirp developer Will Bishop. During the keynote, Apple announced SwiftUI, a new framework that allowed developers to develop their user interfaces much faster than ever before. However, not only did it increase the speed, it opened up a whole new way to create apps for the Apple Watch, he explains. Prior to SwiftUI, all user interface on Apple Watch was drag and drop, which, while convenient, has some major drawbacks. So feeling inspired from this announcement, I left the keynote hall and immediately began working on re-implementing the timeline with SwiftUI, he says. Gallery ads equals 1920687, 1920686, 1920682, 1920680, 1920684. Direct messages were updated, too, and now include images and tweets that were shared through the private messaging feature. Chirp 2.0 also introduces support for live complications on Apple Watch. That means you can see recent tweets right on the watch face, and tap on them to be redirected back to the Chirp app to reply, like or retweet. This feature is also available only to Pro users. Another enhancement lets you add a little flair to your Twitter username by making it colorful, a feature that was inspired by a user's request. Included as a one-off in-app purchase, it's $1 for Pro use. For more on this story, visit the news article link.